Slide 1 LA prices saw 0.5% yearly in midsummer. Slide 2 the average LA home costs $1,052,250 in 2025. Slide 3 condo prices are slipping while single-family homes still hold slight gains. Slide 4 high interest rates and inflation keep many Angelenos waiting on sidelines. Slide 5 LA's housing market feels paused, sky-high costs, slow growth, uncertain future.